Hi, today we're fixing the bayonet nail concealment cable, also known as the BNC cable. So let's get into it. Sometimes when you plug in your BNC cable from the male end into the female end, you say that you're not getting a signal or there's just something wrong. It could be the connector that's gone wrong. So today we're fixing that. It's amazing how things are named according to how God named everything from the beginning. Male and female, He made them. Even down to cables, male end and the female end, because one end goes into one. Simple as that. So now this is the male end. This is what I'll be using to cut out the outer shielding from the cable. So fix this into here. Let it match with the orange thingy here. And then once that's done, twist and turn and twist and turn and twist and turn and twist and turn. That should be fine. Take it out. See? Now you have the connector and this is what you have. This is the center connector, dielectric simulator, and this is a shield to protect it, really. Bring this down. Then you wear this straight into here. There we go. This goes on here. Crimping tool, put this at the center. Pull, pull, pull. Doesn't pull. It will never pull. It won't pull. So that's done. Next on the table, this. So you want to try to wear this in first. See that? It goes in. It's just as easy as that. Plug it in, it goes in. And then the next thing you want to do is bring out this jacket and wear it on top. So this goes on top of this. Then you have got to crimp this. And that's how you fix your BNC cable. More tips on fixing things, follow me.